Alright guys, yeah, I'm gonna do a trade breakdown on how I traded EuroJPY recently. So I'm gonna clear this, remove objects. Well, I've saved it here. This is a different broker, Oanda, and this one is FXCM. Yeah. So I have here a screenshot on when I started, and here's the trade, how it went with a different broker. This is Oanda, and this one is FXCM. Anyway, so first we go on the 4 hour time frame. That's how I like to begin. I like it on hard time frame so I can have a better vision on how the market is going, like so I can find the direction of the trend. So right here you can see the market has been on a downtrend for a very long time, and from Wednesday of last week, from Wednesday, yeah. So it's been on a downtrend for 2 weeks straight. 2 weeks. Look at this. Actually, 3 weeks. 3 weeks straight, this market has been on a downtrend. So basically, I was looking for sales, obviously, because it's also below the 200 EMA, 50 EMA, and also the 21 EMA. So I say I'm gonna look for sales in this. Anyway, so how I like trade is I don't go 4 hour time frame. I go immediately to 15-minute time frame and look for confirmations. Now I go step by step. So these are the time frames I use: 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and that's it. I barely use 5 minute time frame, rarely, unless maybe when I'm scalping. But yeah, anyway, so 4 hour time frame. So then you go to 2 hour time frame, and here you can see that the market was making higher highs and lower lows since it's on a downtrend. You know, a downtrend can't just go straight down like this. Nah, it's gonna make higher highs and lower lows. It never goes straight down like this. Never, ever. Well, if it does that, then bro, it's gonna be hard trading it. Anyway, so it does this: lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, then a lower low. That's how it's gonna move. So basically, if you look here, this is exactly what the market was doing here. It's exactly what the market was doing. Yeah, you can see it's making a lower low, higher low here, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. But then here, it did not make the lower low. So when I saw that, I was like, all right. So I spotted a consolidation at this level right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. This level, I spotted a consolidation. So I was like, all right. So consolidation, okay, that's basically support and resistance, because every single time the market reaches this level, it goes down. Every single time it reaches this level, it goes up. And that's how support and resistance works. So imagine this as a ball, yeah? The resistance level is the roof, the support level is the bottom. Every single time a ball touches a certain surface, it's going to bounce off. So let's say you throw a ball to the roof, it's going to bounce back down. And if you throw a ball to the bottom, it's going to bounce right back up. So this is the ground and this is the roof. So that's how you should imagine support and resistance. And how you should trade this is do not trade unless it touches one of the levels. It's just like, let's say a ball is moving from up going down and you buy before it touches the bottom. Now you're gonna get fucked, you're gonna get stopped out. So yeah, you should wait for it to first touch the bottom, then you cannot buy. So that's how support and resistance is. Do not sell or buy unless the market is at the key levels. Do not buy or sell if the market is in the middle of the trend. Do not do that. Don't ever do that. Always sell or buy at a key level. So the key levels as resistance and support, those are our key levels. You see these boxes here, that's our key level, and this was our key level. Those are zones. So yeah, EuroJPY consolidation. Then I go to a lower time frame once again, because here I cannot trade from here, bro. I just use these time frames to like have a better view of the market. But if you're comfortable trading here, you can do that as well. Anyway, so you go in a lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is where I now have a better view of the reversals. Here's where I get to see how the reversals really look like, where they will began, and what was causing them. Like, yeah, basically that. So when I reach 1 hour time frame is where I felt comfortable enough to now set my key levels. So start off, we're starting off with this. Always set your key level at the candlestick closes. So here's where I set mine. This level right here. Let me just stop here, because actually let me just go further. Here's where I like to set mine. So when you're setting a key level, always set it at a candlestick close, the highest one. if not the highest one, then the most respected one. Not like this one here. Basically, it was respected here, and respected here. But if the body closed like around here, I wouldn't set my key level here. I would still set it here. So yeah, and I like to start it here at the close of the highest body, then the bottom of a certain body. Like, just don't make it too long, but just a certain body. Not like, yeah, for now I've picked this one and this one here. So that's my key level, and let me set a line right here. Yeah, set this line at the highest close of the body. So every single time the market reached here, it reversed. So one thing I've noticed about this market is that all bodies or wicks have touched this line. So yeah, but before I decided to sell, this swing was not yet formed. It was not yet formed. The market was just right here. So I saw myself, I'm gonna wait for it to reach this key level first, and I could have bought from here to there up in I would profit. But let me tell you why I did not buy first of all. So let's also set our resistance levels. It's this one here, because this level is respected here, and here. And also I forgot to tell you, support and resistance is basically a level that's respected multiple times. If it's respected more than 2 times, that's a support or resistance level. Not like this is respected here and respected here as well. Every single time the market reaches here, it rejects. So that means if it reaches here again, it's most likely going to reject once again. So that's support and resistance. So right here is what we see. This level is respected 1, 2, 3, and the issue comes here now. This support level is uneven. Because bro, the market first of all it reverses from here, then secondly it reverses from here, then once again it reverses from here. So we are not really sure of where the support level is. We aren't sure, but what we are sure of is where the resistance level is. And remember, the resistance level is the roof. That's a resistance level. Support level is the bottom. So every single time the market reaches this level, it bounces off. But look at this level. This is supposed to be the support level. Let's say you set it here. Every single time the market reaches here, it's supposed to bounce off. So let's say it reached here, it did not bounce off, it continued going down. Then you saw this reversal and you enter, you set your stop loss like around here below this, but then it continues going down and stops you out. Yeah, so it's supposed to bounce off from this level, but it reached here and bounced off, then again reached here and bounced off. Basically it's uneven. So yeah, that's why I did not look for buys. I say let me look for sales, because that's where I'm going to have the highest chances of profiting. So yeah, I waited for the market to reach this level. When it reached that level, I now waited for a confirmation. So yeah, the confirmation was a doji, obviously. And if you didn't know, a doji is a sign of a reversal. So if you look right here, we have a doji right here. A doji happened, then the market reversed, went right back down. Here as well, the doji happened, then went right back down. But anyways, I did not just enter as soon as I saw a doji. First of all, this swing had to meet a few criteria. Yeah, it had to meet like a few, like there are lots of confirmation. So confirmation is this, yeah. If you look at all these swings, one thing they have in common is all these swings touched this line. All those swings touched it. So if you look here, it touched this level with this week, and here as well, it touched it with this week. And secondly, here as well, touched it with this week, and here also touched it with this week. But this one here, this one did not touch, like it did not touch it at all. So yeah, just imagine you inside here. This is the only one that did not touch it, and look what happened. It did not touch it, then look what happened. It just consolidated here, came here down. You probably thought you'd be profiting, but then it goes right back up. So yeah, I decided to enter a level that touched it. Same thing with them. Let's say, let me see. Which one? Yeah, same thing with this one here. This one did not touch it, then look what happened. It came up, then went right back down. So yeah, I told myself I'm going to enter if it touches this level. So if you look at this one slightly touched it a little bit. So yeah, I told myself if it doesn't touch this level, I'm not selling. But this one touched the level. It touched it. Then secondly, the doji also touched it, and also that doji was my confirmation. As soon as I saw that doji, I told myself, all right, it's selling time. So doji closed, I sold, and I said to take profits. Actually, first take profits was here, take profit 1, then take profit 2 was where this level is. So where I like to set my take profits is, I want to set my take profit at a level that was touched by all swings. So this swing touched this green line, this swing also touched it, this swing also touched it, and this swing touched it. These, all of them touched that level. All those swings, all of them touched it. So yeah, that's where I want to set my take profit, right there, because it's most likely going to get it. If you got hit by all other swings, that means most likely you're getting hit once again. Don't set it at a swing don't set it at a level that wasn't touched by other swings. Now, like, let's say if you set it here like this, here, yeah, so this level wasn't touched by this swing, but it was touched by this swing and this swing, but it wasn't touched by this swing. So yeah, even though my take profit got hit, still the chances of it hitting here are very low compared to the chances of it hitting here. So yeah, I do not recommend setting your take profit here or here like this. Even though it got hit, the chances of it getting hit were very low compared to this one here. So yeah, trading is all about probability. And yeah, anyways, then for stop loss, I like to set my stop loss at the highest swing, then I give it, okay, like at the previous highest level, then I give it some room. So yeah, the previous ones are this and this. So if I'm going along with this one here, I have to set it here, hold on, here like this, then give it some room. That's the room I've given it. If not though, I can decide, okay, I'm going with this one instead, then I give it some room. Don't ever put it at a level like this, because if you touch this level, it could most likely touch it once again. So yeah, it's obvious that you must give it some room, because you want to set your stop loss at a level that was never touched by any swing. Yeah, this swing touched it, but bro, I didn't feel like it was most likely going to attack it. I already saw my doji, the confirmation of it going down, so I was like, let me just enter, man. Let me enter. Yeah. Anyway, so I set my stop loss here, then yeah. Trade went really well, went all the way down, hit take profit right there, secured about 86 pips. That's really nice. 86 pips is actually a lot. And this all happened about 3 hours. Yeah. So I have a friend that deposited $10 in his account, and he had about $10 profit, so he made 100% profit. So yeah, that's really nice. My other friend made $11. I made $11 from this. So yeah, it was a very good trade. And I hope this video helps you understand more about trading. I hope that you get to see a lot of profits in your trading journey. And my advice to you is, do not give up at all. Do not give up. A year ago, I wasn't able to do this. A year ago, I wasn't able to spot these levels, all these key levels. I never knew about this a year ago. But now, this year, 2025, this is my year. 2025, I'm going to see bigger things. 2025, I'm going to succeed. In 2025, you're also going to succeed if you focus. If you don't succeed this year, then you could succeed next year. If you don't succeed next year, then you could succeed in 2027. The years never end. As long as you're still alive, that's an opportunity to shine. So yeah, keep going, keep grinding, keep winning. No matter how many losses you take, just keep on grinding. The losses will never define your future. No matter how many times you lose, keep going, bro. I've taken more losses than the amount of times many people have tried. Bro, I've blown more than 20 accounts, blown more than 50 accounts, and I'm still trying. The accounts I currently have now, even though I blow it up, I'm gonna keep going, bro. I'm not stopping. I'll keep on trading. I'll keep doing it. So yeah, just keep on going. Wishing you all the best, and I hope you subscribe. Good luck.